In this video, you'll learn how to download Teamviewer on PC in just a few minutes, so you can start using one of the most popular remote control tools in the world. First, open your browser on your Windows computer and go to teamviewer.com/download. The site will automatically detect your operating system and show you the correct version of Teamviewer designed for Windows. Next, click the Download for Windows button. The installer file, usually called Teamviewer setup.exe, will start downloading right away. Make sure to save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder on your PC. Now, open the installer by double-clicking the downloaded file. Windows might ask for permission to run it. Click Yes to continue. The Teamviewer setup wizard will then launch on your screen. After that, choose the installation type. Most users should select Default Installation for personal use. Then, accept the license agreement and click Accept and Install to begin installing Teamviewer on your computer. Once the installation finishes, Teamviewer will open automatically. You'll see your Teamviewer ID and password on the main screen, which you can share with anyone to start a remote session right away. And that's it. Teamviewer is now downloaded and installed on your PC, ready to connect with computers anywhere in the world.